Autodesk AutoCAD is amazing. This powerful software in the right hands can do loads and loads of eye-catching graphics. Hello, welcome to this new video. Over the years, I have seen many good sketches drawn by Adobe Illustrators. I have tried to learn this amazing program, but I was frustrated by the following aspects. Before I explain, let me introduce myself. I am a professional engineer. Besides, I am an Autodesk AutoCAD experienced user. I've been utilizing this great software since 1999. I use it on a daily basis. Okay, let us return to the main issue about what I felt by studying Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator cannot generate 3D solids by itself. Adobe Illustrator cannot generate automatic shading for those 3D solids. Adobe Illustrator cannot generate automatic rendering. Its users have to manipulate regions of color on top of each other to do so. Since then, I stick to Autodesk AutoCAD and I've learned many tricks to generate glowing objects looking just like Adobe Illustrator sketches. This video is addressing mainly AutoCAD users. It is not necessary to learn Adobe Illustrator just only to produce glowing vector graphics. You can do it by your powerful AutoCAD. Keep watching this video in order to learn how to do so. Enjoy. You will find a link in the description to this great AutoCAD file.